Well, here we are. Aquarium architecture. Fish shop that I randomly googled. Let's see if we can go in. Not sure if I opened. It's hot as hell in London. 40 degrees Celsius plus. Yeah, we'll do our best. Some lovely discus.
You're just over for a visit?
Yeah, we're just over for a visit. Visiting the family. She said, okay, you can look at one fish shop. I'm going to sit down there.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, she's waiting for me there.
Oh, God, sorry. So it's wasted it on us.
No, not at all. Not at all. It always gives one ideas.
You must have seen those ones before.
Oh, yeah. So, they're not a retail shop as such. They do installations and maintenance for people.
Mm. Yeah, I mean, most of our clients, they don't want to kind of touch the tank at all, so we end up doing.
It's for the people that's not like me. They don't dig into the tank. They just want it there and look nice.
Exactly, yeah. They don't want the headache.
So you got a chiller in this tank, I'm sure.
We did. Annoyingly, we had to decommission it temporarily. So
okay.
Trying to keep the place cool. Plenty of fans.
And Anubias in there as well.
It's on its last.
Yeah. Day or two.
Yeah, I think tomorrow afternoon probably. Yeah.
I'll have a think about that. See if
Well, the top is really tricky.
And these guys are loving the heat wave.
There's nothing engraved or anything like scraping on. Just this. Yeah, they were in there, but I don't know how that would restrict it. So, what second was they on?
it's one of the closest.
Okay guys, so that's Aquarium architecture. We're basically an installation and maintenance company as opposed to a retail company. And I've been given some time by the missus to quickly go into a fish shop. Just was quick, but you see we have a free nice display, thanks there. And please like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you, bye bye.